Ever wondered what it's like to embark on an epic quest, slay dragons, and explore magical realms all from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the world of Dungeons and Dragons. Born from the creative minds of Gary Gygax and Dave Arneson in the early 70s, Dungeons and Dragons, or D&D as it's affectionately known, is a tabletop role-playing game that invites you to create your own character and embark on imaginative adventures. This game isn't just about rolling dice and battling monsters. It's a game that emphasizes storytelling, character development, and camaraderie. Whether you're a stoic warrior, a cunning rogue, or a whimsical bard, D&D offers a space to live out your most fantastical dreams. Today, we'll delve into the heart of the game, focusing on the essential guides for both players and dungeon masters. So, ready your dice, sharpen your wit, and let's dive into the captivating world of Dungeons and Dragons. At the core of every D&D adventure lies the player's handbook. This is your comprehensive guide to creating and developing your character. It's the key to unlocking a world of possibilities, a world where you can be anything from a brave warrior to a cunning rogue, or even a powerful spellcaster. The character creation process is like an adventure in itself. You start by choosing a race, each with its own unique abilities and traits. Perhaps you're an agile elf, a sturdy dwarf, or a charismatic human. Each race offers a unique flavor to your character's story. Next, you choose a class, defining the skills and abilities your character will master. Will you be a mighty fighter, a stealthy rogue, or a spell-weaving wizard? The choice is yours, and each class brings a unique set of abilities and playstyle to the table. But your character is more than just a race and class. They have a background, a history that shaped them. Were they a noble, a soldier, or perhaps a commoner? This decision shapes your character's skills and traits, adding depth and personality. Finally, you'll choose your character's skills, spells, and equipment. These decisions will shape your character's role within the story, defining how they interact with the world and their fellow adventurers. With the player's handbook, you can craft a character that's truly unique to you and ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead. Immerse yourself in the adventure and let the story unfold. But the world of D&D extends beyond your character. Enter the Dungeon Master's Guide, an essential tool for those brave enough to guide the story. This isn't just a game of chance or a test of strategy. It's a stage where you, the Dungeon Master, set the scene and weave the narrative. You are the puppeteer, the director, the author of a living tale that unfolds right before your eyes. The Dungeon Master's Guide is a veritable Pandora's box of resources and tools. It guides you in building immersive worlds, from the highest mountain peaks to the darkest dungeon depths. It helps you craft narratives that will keep your players on the edge of their seats, their hearts pounding with anticipation. The guide is also your manual for designing encounters that will challenge your players, pushing them to their limits and beyond. But remember, the Dungeon Master's Guide is not a rulebook to be followed to the letter. It's a toolbox, filled with endless possibilities. You can pick and choose, mix and match, to create a world that is uniquely yours. It's about sparking your creativity, about allowing your imagination to run wild. The Dungeon Master's Guide is your key to unlocking infinite storytelling possibilities and creating a world that your players will never forget. Together, the Player's Handbook and Dungeon Master's Guide form the foundation of the D&D experience. They're not just books, they're portals to a universe of endless possibilities, where every choice you make shapes the story. The Player's Handbook is your key to creating a character that is truly your own, a hero whose story you'll tell through every roll of the dice. The Dungeon Master's Guide is your roadmap to crafting worlds that feel alive, teeming with danger, intrigue, and wonder. These guides are the lifeblood of every D&D game, empowering you to weave tales of high adventure that will be remembered for a lifetime. So whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newcomer to the game, these books are your ticket to a world of imagination and excitement. So gather your friends, roll the dice, and let your imagination soar. The world of Dungeons and Dragons awaits,